Welcome back to the AQUARIUS Samples video series. I'm Dave Gilby. In this video, we'll see how to manage all your sample projects in AQUARIUS Samples, tracking the details and status of our projects to keep them all on track. Let's take a look at projects in AQUARIUS Samples. In AQUARIUS Samples, we have an entity called projects. Projects are ways for you, the end user, to roll up locations and specific sets of data to find and easy queries from the observation screen. Let's take a quick look at a point here in the project where we're looking for E. coli and nitrate data, similar to what we were looking at before. So for whatever reason, our sampling will include many of these entities. So I'm in edit mode just so I can show you how you could edit these things. We have an ID, a name, a study type. Now this is another configurable list, again, to maximize the ability of AQUARIUS Samples to match your best business practices. You can put comments and scope statements here with the project, but the real important piece are, again, the ability to attach a certain set of observed properties or parameters and a certain set of locations with an observation restriction on the observation date range. So this may be something like this example could be this entity was granted money to sample for E. coli, fish length, nitrate, and total phosphorus at these 4 sites. And at the end of a time period, it looks like it was June of 2016 through December of 2016, they would have to report out their results. So instead of having to create that information on the fly at the end of the project, this can be easily created at the beginning of a project and allows the user to track the status, the number of samples collected, the number of non-detects collected, so on and so forth. And just like the other page, there's a change history here. So anytime that there's data that's updated with this system, this system will record any changes made to this page. Let's take a look at what this project looks like. We're going to go back out to the observations page. I'm going to use my clear filters button, and I'm going to clear the current filters I have on the page. You'll notice the number of matches goes back up to about 9,800 matches, and I'm going to select that project that we just looked at. And you'll notice that for that project, all we have collected so far is 3 nitrate samples at 1 location. So this would give me some indication right off the bat of how many samples I've collected in comparison to a project that I am set out to collect many samples, many different parameters at multiple locations. That concludes our overview of how to manage your projects in AQUARIUS Samples. To learn more, watch our next video on managing your locations online, or book a consultation with our experts today. Thanks for watching.